Hi there, my name is Emma and I'm a solutions rep here at Cyan Analytics. I'll be taking you through how to use our compiler application. Let's get started. Head to the start screen and select compiler. This application gives you the automated capability of merging all parsed files with notes back into a single spreadsheet. You can see the entirety of everyone's input all in one place. Now let's take a look at how to use it. Select the application, then hit Next. All you have to do is select the project, then hit Create. It will open into a separate window where you can add your source files at the top left and then add your destination file that you'd like it to go to. Then hit Run Compile. Now let's take a look at the results. The compiler takes the separate feedback and distributes it into the respective sections on the right. Everyone's comments are put back together for easy review. Want an easier way to see everyone's input all in one place? Schedule your demo today.